Residents in parts of Philadelphia and surrounding counties were cleaning up after severe short thunderstorms caused widespread damage. The storms moved through Saturday afternoon, and residents were still dealing with the damage Sunday. The National Weather Service said the storms were microbursts, not tornadoes, with straight-line winds responsible for the damage. At least 4 microbursts brought wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour to Montgomery and Philadelphia counties. The National Weather Service said the damaging gusts hit between about 2:30 and 3:15 Saturday afternoon. The storms downed trees and power lines across multiple neighborhoods. Several streets flooded, and AP described images of authorities inspecting a car lying half-submerged in water. A building collapse in West Philadelphia sent bricks and debris into the street. The fallen brick and debris crushed cars and blocked trolley tracks, creating a dramatic urban storm damage scene. AP says speculation about a tornado followed roof damage at a Philadelphia Housing Authority building, but weather officials confirmed straight-line winds. Despite speculation, the National Weather Service confirmed straight-line winds caused the damage. The Philadelphia storms were part of a broader weekend of severe weather across the U.S., including heat waves, flooding, and wildfires. Mayor Sherrell Parker toured damage in multiple neighborhoods, and the city issued a declaration of disaster emergency related to the storms. Philadelphia officials said every level of government was working to respond, restore services, and help residents recover. AP reports the cleanup included parts of Philadelphia and surrounding counties after the line of severe storms passed through. The blocked trolley tracks show how the storms affected transportation as well as homes and vehicles. The strongest visuals are flooded cars, downed trees, damaged row homes, storm radar, power crews, and Philadelphia neighborhood streets. The script should use microburst and straight-line winds, not tornado, because the Weather Service ruled out tornado damage. The bottom line: a short line of severe storms left flooded streets, crushed cars, damaged buildings, and a major cleanup across Philadelphia. The next updates are power restoration, structural inspections, transit cleanup, and city or state assistance for affected residents.